Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn on Facebook's data saver tool. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal bars located at the top right corner of the Facebook app. Next, scroll down to the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Now click on Data Saver. You will find that it is turned off. Tap on the slider to turn on Data Saver. After you enable Data Saver, a second toggle named Always Turn Off Data Saver on Wi-Fi appears and is enabled by default. When enabled, this option turns off Data Saver whenever you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you still want to keep saving data while on Wi-Fi, turn this option off. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.